My name is Laura O'Toole. I'm the CEO of Suretest, and Suretest is a fully managed automation solution for testing. We are specifically focused in healthcare, and we solve the problem of our clients having to do manual testing for their EHR, the surround systems, up the enterprise through Workday. So it's a full managed automation solution, turnkey, that removes the burden of manual testing.
And I'm Mark Scruggs. I'm our president and COO, so I have overall responsibility for our delivery organization.
We've been involved with ViVE since ViVE really became ViVE. Prior to that, obviously with CHIME. So the relationship that CHIME has with health and ViVE, we've been CHIME Foundation members throughout our whole career. So I'm not going to date myself, Mark, but many, many years.
I think the connections that we make here are just amazing. I mean, this is the right audience for us. I think we found there's a lot of decision makers here for the solution that we're providing. And so it's just great connections. It's a smaller event, so we feel like it's a more curated sort of experience. So I think that's important as well.
We come back to ViVE every year because it has become the singular event for us in the healthcare space, where we're able to connect with not only our clients, but our partners, and it's pretty undivided, I would say. The most valuable part of being here is the opportunity to connect with our clients that are very, very busy. So it gives us the opportunity to meet them. Also, certainly the PPC events where we have the opportunity to engage with new prospects and really just to see what's happening in the industry from an innovation perspective. It's important to us to always be ahead of innovation and to be able to meet with other colleagues that are innovating in our space to make things better for healthcare and for the patient communities we serve. It's worth our time, and it's been a valuable event.
Yeah, I would add, given our size now and the number of clients we have, many of them are speaking at various events or on various panels. So we're here to support them as well, but also, we get mentioned on some of these panels about the things that they're doing with us and with their peers. So I think it's just a great opportunity to interact with.
PPC has definitely made a big difference for us in terms of how we've been able to engage with prospects. This year in particular, we were really excited that so many prospects reached out to us. So the two-way match that you do and having clients be able to connect with us because our solution is one that they were interested in. As the years have gone on, that's gotten even better for us from our perspective. So real matches out of gate.
I would definitely recommend PPC to other sponsors. I mean, I think it's a great way as kind of an icebreaker to have those initial conversations. Sometimes they continue. They might come back to our booth to meet us or meet other people. I think it's an important part for us, just in terms of being a vendor here and getting those opportunities to meet so many different prospects. Very important.
I agree. I would say the other thing that I think is really important about PPC is as we talk to prospects and clients, and then they will say to us, oh, by the way, I'm also looking, and this happened with one of our clients today, I'm looking for somebody that does application rationalization. I know that that's not something that Suretest does, but who do you know? And this business in our industry, it's pretty incestuous, and it's about connection and partnership. So where we can also help somebody in those PPC sessions connect with somebody that they may be interested in, I think it's just a win-win.
I mean, as Laura said earlier, ViVE is a very important part of our long-term growth strategy. It's one of the two conferences we do every year. I see us continuing to be involved in this conference. It's very important. It's a great way to connect with existing clients, but also obviously a great way to build new client relationships. So I would assume it will always be on our budget to do this event every year.
Yeah, I definitely think, especially as long as CHIME is associated with ViVE and health, we will absolutely participate. It's a big investment for us to be here, but it's an important one. So for us, our primary buyer is the CIO, and anybody that is working with CHIME is somebody that we will be continuing to work with. We do CHIME Fall Forum and we do ViVE. After ViVE, we're probably going to go take a nap. I would say after that, we really spend a lot of our time doing very small, curated meetings with our clients. I think right after ViVE for us, I think we're flying out to go meet with a couple of clients in the Dallas area and then just keep on plugging along and trying to kick off the year and continue to kick off the year going well.
A lot of the follow-ups, right? So there's a lot of activity, but then there's gonna be a lot of follow-ups after we leave the event. So I think that's an important kind of next step for us.